Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices like phones, laptops, and smart TVs to connect to the internet without cables. Instead of wires, Wi-Fi sends information through the air using radio waves. A device called a router acts like a wireless communication station. It receives internet data from your internet provider and broadcasts it wirelessly so nearby devices can connect. Think of it like a mini radio station in your house, constantly sending signals in every direction. Before Wi-Fi can send anything, the internet first needs to reach your home. Your internet service provider sends data through fiber optic cables, phone lines, or satellite connections. That connection goes into your router. The router's job is to convert the internet data into wireless signals that your devices can understand. So the internet arrives through a cable. But from the router onward, everything becomes wireless. Wi-Fi works using radio waves, which are a type of electromagnetic wave. These are the same kinds of waves used by radio stations, television broadcasts, and even walkie-talkies. Your router sends radio signals at specific frequencies, usually 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. These waves spread through the air, carrying digital information. Your phone or laptop detects the signals using its Wi-Fi antenna and converts them back into data. All internet information is stored as binary data. Binary uses only two numbers, 0 and 1. Your router converts internet information into patterns of radio signals that represent these numbers. The signals travel through the air. Your device receives them and converts them back into data, like videos, messages, or web pages. So when you're watching a video online, your router is sending millions of tiny zeros and ones through the air every second. Wi-Fi communication goes both directions. Your router sends data to your phone, but your phone also sends information back to the router. For example, when you click a video, your phone sends a request to the internet. The server responds by sending the video data back through your router. This back-and-forth communication happens thousands of times every second. Most homes have many devices connected to Wi-Fi at the same time. Phones, laptops, smart TVs, tablets, and game consoles all share the same router. The router acts like a traffic controller. It decides which device gets data at each moment. Otherwise, the network would become chaos, like everyone shouting in the same room at once. Wi-Fi signals become weaker as they travel farther. Walls, furniture, and even people can block or weaken radio waves. That's why Wi-Fi works best when you're close to the router. Thick walls and long distances reduce signal strength. Large buildings often use multiple routers or Wi-Fi extenders to solve this problem. Have you noticed something funny about Wi-Fi? When a signal gets weak, people suddenly become network engineers. They start walking around the house, holding their phone like this, trying to find the perfect signal spot. Sometimes moving just one step closer to the router magically fixes everything. Congratulations! You just performed manual signal optimization. So in simple terms, Wi-Fi works like this. Internet data enters your home through a cable. Your router converts that data into radio waves. Those waves travel through the air. Your devices receive the signals and convert them back into digital information. And all of this happens millions of times every second, so you can stream, browse, and communicate. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more simple engineering and technology videos. And don't forget to support the channel by liking and sharing this video, so you can see more of our videos. See you in the next one.